Guys, at this point I can't even explain or tell you guys exactly what my hair looks like. My hair is
Don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no.
hi guys, what's up, what's up? I don't, guys, this intro is not working. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to today's video. If you are new here, my name is Norma, and to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back. So on today's video, I think, what are we doing? Okay, sorry, protein treatment. Guys, don't mind me, like, I don't know, we are doing protein treatment. Yeah, protein treatment, protein and treatment. So that is what we are doing. Guys, at this point I can't even explain or tell you guys exactly what my hair looks like. My hair is a very big mess. Yes, that is all I can say, but there's always a way out. Mm, there's a way out. So let's do some protein treatment. Guys, why are you guys not subscribing to my channel, and why are you guys not watching my video? See, this Igbo girl right here, is pleading with you all to watch her video and subscribe to her channel. Okay, please do that for me, at least for love, for love. Okay. Guys, don't mind me. Let's quickly get started with what we have on today's video. Okay, please subscribe. Okay, thank you. So our first ingredient on today's protein treatment is avocado. Second ingredient is egg. Moving on to the next ingredient, we have coconut oil, and our other ingredient is avocado oil. Moving to our other ingredient, we have castor oil, and our last ingredient is tea tree essential oil. So we are just going to go ahead and peel out our avocado, add with egg, mix all the oil together and blend them.
Don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Hey, watch out what you got. Shawty don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Words can't describe, no. The way that I feel when I'm with you, shawty, I've been closing my eyes, yeah. Going to a better time when it was you and I so mesmerized, yeah. By the way that you moving, no matter what mood, shawty, you by my side, yeah. You by my side, ride or die, ooh. Never ending cycle, shawty, I want you by my side, girl. I'ma bring you back to my world, no matter the price, it's alright, yeah. Anything to end this night, man. For you, I would give my whole life, babe. I say that without thinking twice, yeah. Oh, got this weight on my shoulders, yeah. Got an ache in my heart. I just need one more touch to make this broken heart restart. Can you hear me calling? Can you hear my pleas? My voice ain't fading, babe, you all I need, oh yeah, yeah. Shawty don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Shawty don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. If time is money, I got racks for you, yeah. Not a penny, not a word, and you on cue. That's who I am, and I ain't changing soon. I got two friends, you ain't.
So after blending everything together, this is exactly what it looks like. Guys, this is just giving, I feel like licking it already. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my tea tree essential oil and mix together. Go ahead and apply to my hair.
Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Ayo, watch out what you got. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Words can't describe, no. The way that I feel when I'm with you, shawty, I've been closing my eyes, yeah. Going to a better time when it was you and I so mesmerized, yeah. By the way that you move, and no matter what mood, shawty, you by my side, yeah. You by my side, ride or die, ooh. Never ending cycle, shawty, I want you by my side, girl. I'ma bring you back to my.
Guys, try this protein treatment out. You are going to like it because it's going to help to moisturize and nourish your hair. It's also going to help your strand look silky and shiny, and it's also going to make your hair grow massively, and your hair is going to look more healthier than you ever expected. While using avocado on your hair is going to be extremely moisturizing and nourishing because they contain natural oils. While egg helps to grow your hair, and you're going to have a healthy hair and a silky, shiny hair at the same time. Castor oil is going to help to moisturize your hair, grow your hair, and nourish your hair. Also, all these ingredients here are good for your hair. So guys, try it out, and you also know that tea tree oil is very good for overall healthy hair. So if you are trying to grow a healthy hair, you should consider tea tree oil, or you should add it into your hair care routine. And thank me later.
On my shoulders, yeah. Got an ache in my heart. I just need one more touch to make this broken heart restart. Can you hear me calling? Can you hear my pleas? My voice ain't fading, baby. You all I need. Yeah, yeah. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. I've been out of my mind, I've been out of my head. I've been out of my mind, I've been out of my head. I've been out of my mind, yeah.
So I am done applying the protein treatment to my hair. I'm just going to allow it to steam for about 30 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and do my normal wash day routine and come back to you guys, show you how my hair is looking after.
Shawty shit don't feel the same, no.
So here I am done washing my hair, and my hair is already shining. Yes, it is shining, and like my hair went away from home, but now my hair is back home, guys. I don't know how to put it, but that is exactly how I am feeling. So I'm just going to go ahead and moisturize my hair by applying my leave-in conditioner, and after that I'm going to go ahead and apply my hair oil to seal in the mixture, and yeah, my hair is done, shining and looking more healthy.
Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Hey, watch out what you got. Shawty shit don't feel the same, no. Don't feel the same, no. Words can't describe, no. The way that I feel when I'm with you, shawty, I've been closing my eyes, yeah. Going to a better time when it was you and I so mesmerized, yeah. By the way that you move, and no matter what mood, shawty, you by my side, yeah. You by my side, ride or die, ooh. Never ending cycle, shawty, I want you by my side, girl. I'ma bring you back to my world, no matter the price, it's alright, yeah. Anything to end this night, man. For you, I would give my whole life, babe. I say that without the.
So guys, this is exactly how my hair is looking right now, and I am feeling so excited because the hair is giving baby girl vibe as always. Guys, don't mind me, like whenever I give my hair exactly what my hair needed, like I'm always so extra excited. Yes, so I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like, comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Guys, please make sure you try this protein treatment on your hair. I see that my hair is really growing. Yes, all this treatment is not just in vain. Like guys, you can see the result. You can see, right? Please take care of your hair for my sake, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I'm going to put my hair in a very nice protective style. Maybe I'm just going to do some cornrow, or I don't know, but protective style or nothing. So guys,